Hi, it's Susie Lee with 66 Degrees. Just want to share a branding feature that just recently rolled out called Mail Merge with Spreadsheet. This is a really cool feature because right now you can do mail merge. You do have to use a mailing list in contacts, but if you have an existing spreadsheet or if you want to pull something from your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, you can do this as well. This is pretty cool. So I've got an example of a mail merge spreadsheet. They're pretty easy to create. So first name, last name, email, company name, title. I put my team in here. And let's go ahead and start working on a email. So we're going to go to 2, and then it's going to populate these 3 options. We're going to go to the last one, use email merge. We're going to click this, and then we're going to say from a spreadsheet. So this is already existing for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this mail merge example. And then we're going to choose. So email is going to be at email. First name is at first name. And last name, I'm going to just put first name just so you could see what it looks like. So it's going to be Susie. We don't want that. We want Susie Lee. So then it goes Susie Lee. And then it's going to give this information. We're going to go ahead and finish. And then I've got a document that I put together for a email template. But we can create one if you want. So we're going to do an invite to Google Next. And then we're going to go and copy and paste this. So dear, we're going to change this and we're going to use that variable. We have options here, first name, last name, email, company, title. We're going to go first name. We're going to do a comma. So you're invited to Google Next. We're going to update this in as the, we're going to put a company title. So as the title of, we're going to put a company name, and we're going to put that that's why they're being invited. So this kind of personalizes it, and you can do this without, these are all the folks that I have. But the cool thing is that you can see it can be personalized based on that spreadsheet. I'm going to go ahead and send this off. And if you want, you can see a preview, but I'm not going to preview it, and I'm going to send all. And it looks like one of them is out of my domain. I don't know if that's going to come through or not. We'll see, but it's a really great way of customizing your emails. It's going to take a while to populate, but nice way to use pre-existing sheets, or if you want to do more customization. There you go. So invite to Google Next. So you are cordially invited to Google Next. So it personalized it to me, myself. And here is my title as the Senior Strategic Account Manager of 66 Degrees. So those are the customizations that we have. So let me know if you have any additional questions. Happy to assist and looking forward to more options. Thank you so much.